Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fill a VIT affidavit form. First, ensure you understand the affidavit's purpose and gather all necessary documents, such as identification and any supporting evidence. Confirm you have the most current version of the form to avoid any issues. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth and accurate completion process, saving you time and potential resubmissions later on. Next, focus on accurately completing the essential sections. Provide your full legal name, current address, and contact information precisely. Clearly state the specific reason for the affidavit, ensuring it aligns with any attached supporting documents. Double-check all entries for accuracy, as even minor errors can cause delays in processing your important legal document. Once the form is filled, the next critical step is signing and notarization. You must sign the affidavit in the physical presence of a notary public. Never sign it beforehand. The notary will verify your identity using a valid government-issued identification and then witness your signature, officially stamping and signing the document to confirm its authenticity. Finally, after your affidavit is fully completed and notarized, make at least 2 copies for your personal records before submitting the original. Carefully follow the instructions for submission, whether it's by mail, in person, or electronically, to the appropriate authority. Confirm any required follow-up steps or deadlines to ensure your affidavit is processed correctly and on time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.